So hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a free website that's willing to pay you up to $10 plus every single day by just performing menial tasks on the internet. And the good thing about it is that it pays to any part of the world you are, and you don't need any sort of certification or experience to start working on this website. Everything is very easy to do. So in this video, I'm not just going to show you this website, but I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can sign up, how you can make your first money on this website, and how you can also use this secret strategy I'm going to share with you alongside in the video to start to double that $10 you make on a daily basis. So assuming if you perform tasks to make $10 daily, the hack I'm going to share with you can also help you make additional $10 to $20 every single day if you implement it correctly. So with that already said, and if you find this helpful, then stick tuned. So hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can make money online, sharing money making tips on how you can grow your blogs and also other ways in which you can make money online. So if this sounds like you, why not smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section at the very end. So with that already said, let's get straight to today's video. Let me show you how you can make money from this website with ease. Trust me, this is a real-time practical guide. So with that already said, let's get straight to work. So hello guys, as I said, I'll be showing you a free website where you can be paid to perform menial tasks, and the name of this website is actually called Freecash. So Freecash is one of the easiest websites to perform tasks and then get paid worldwide. Like any part of the world you are, you can actually make more money from it. So here's my personal account, so I won't be using it for the example. I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how you can sign up for it and also how you can start making money with it. So because of showing you how to sign up, I'm going to use a different browser to actually show you how you can create your own personal account and start making money from it. This is my personal account. I cannot use it again, so I cannot use it to show you how it works. So I will need to go and use an external browser to create an account and show you how you can get started with it. And at the top here, you can see people recent withdraw. You can see this guy just withdraw $30 right now through Bitcoin. This one just withdraw $10 right now through Visa. So there are a lot of things you need to do to make money online on this website. So to show you how to sign up, let me just come over to Firefox. I'm going to show you how you can create your own account and then start making money from it as well. So over here, I'm simply going to search for the website. So you can search for it, but I'll be dropping my link down in the video description. So I advise you use the link so you don't go and hook on any spammy website. So let me just go for Freecash. Just search for Freecash. So for me, I already know the original website. You might not know it, so you are likely to fall into any scam version of it, because a lot of scam websites pretending to be like all these websites that will require for your personal details just to get access to your information. So I always advise you use the link that I put down in the video descriptions. So once you come over to their homepage like this, what you simply need to do is simply hit on here to sign up. Once you hit on here, there are various reasons you can sign up. One, you can sign up using your email direct, your Google account directly, or probably use your Stream. If you are a gamer, you have Steam account, you can simply use your Steam to actually continue. So for me, I'm going to enter my email here. So I'll be using an email that is logged on my mobile phone. So let me just get the email detail. So I'm just going to type in my email here, Mr. VN 5737. So it's an email actually created for this tutorial purpose, at gmail.com. And then I'll enter my password here. Just enter my password. Then I accept their terms of services, which is our privacy policy and the rest. After that, simply hit on sign up. Now the sign up process is really this simple and easy. So here you can save your password and login details for later use. So for me, I'm just going to continue without it. So like I see, welcome to the end page. So here is a 15-minute task that you can see, 15 seconds task that you can literally complete. And then just continue. So if this is your first time here, I'm going to do this and then bam. You see, with this mini task, you can just end it. So when you finish signing up, here's something I'll advise you do. Log onto your email, log onto your Gmail account, and then make sure you confirm your email before you continue with anything, so that if in case of anything, your email is confirmed in their system, so you can withdraw whatsoever amount of money you've made with them. So now that you've signed up with this website, here are the ways in which you can actually make money from this website. So the first one is simply performing all these menial tasks, and I'm going to show you how all of these tasks actually works. So to see offers, you can simply come over here and filter by games, quizzes, or any other sort of offer. You can come and check here over here and you see them listed here. So the highest paying ones are the games. The games pays really high. Take a look at this. Let's go over to games first. So if you take a look at game, you can see this one is paying from $2, this one is paying $10, this one is paying $22, this one is paying $15, $25. So you can see there are a lot of games here that can actually make you a lot of money if you are someone who loves gaming. And we have the quizzes here. Quizzes pay way lower than games because the quizzes, they don't take much time. You can see this one 0.10 cents, 0.1 cent, 0.0 cents, 0.00 cents. So here they pay pennies. So if you really want to make more money from this system, is by using their games. So this doesn't mean you playing the whole game. At times you just have to download the game and play from level 1 to level 2, which is pretty much easy. And then when it comes to withdraw, I come over to this tab called cash out. This is where you actually withdraw your earnings. So to withdraw here, they have PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Faucet Pay, ATM, Amazon. So if you are in Africa and you want to withdraw to your bank account, you can even use ATM. From ATM, then transfer to your local bank. You have Amazon, Visa, you have the Google Pay, Apple. There are a lot of ways in which you can actually withdraw your money from this system. So there's no need in saying that I cannot withdraw because I'm in this country. No, anywhere you find yourself, you can actually withdraw. That's simply how it works. You can see the one in here say use your in-coins on freecash.com to withdraw PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. Crypto withdrawals start from 0.5 cents. Stake withdrawals at 0.25 cents. So those are the only wallet that gives you a minimum withdrawal. Any other wallet allows you to withdraw as low as much as you want. So there's no limit to how much you can withdraw. There's no limit to how much you can make. All depends on the number of tasks that you can actually take up on this website. So for example, you want to take up a task. So assuming you want to take up this task here, let me just click on it. So once you click on here, they are going to give you the info. They say watch our video question, answer 80% correctly and get your reward. Have fun. That's simply it. So you simply watch the video, then they are going to answer some questions within the video, then you just have to answer it correctly. Here's one thing to note. They state the devices here, so I'm on my laptop, so I can perform it on my laptop because they said they need either an Apple device or an Android device to actually do it, and I'm using a Windows device, so I cannot do it on my phone, on my laptop actually. So the easiest way to get the right task to perform is if you are using an Android phone, simply come over here and then remove any other filter and leave it as Android. So every other thing you are going to see will be Android. Or if you are on your desktop also, you can filter out by desktop alone and then remove every other thing. Because this is the only game here I have on desktop. After I filter them out and you see this one, so for example, this is the only one available for my device right now. So what I'm literally going to do is that come over here and read about the information required. So here you can say answer all of the questions and get career advice and confirm to be rewarded. Status clicked, quiz category. After I simply click on start offer, then you can start performing these tasks to make money. One other easy ways you can make your first $10 on this website is simply coming over to download our app. So this one, you download their mobile application and then you get 150 coins. That's simply how it works. So with that 150 coins, you can convert it to real cash and then withdraw easily just by downloading their mobile app in the first place. So now that is the first strategy in which you can make money by performing tasks. Now here is the big way to actually make more money from this website. The big way to make more money from this website is simply using this tab called affiliate. So what this tab actually does is that when users sign up using it, you are going to make 30% of any amount of money they make. So for example, I share this link with you right now, and then you use this link and then you start making money from it. I'm going to make, for a start, I'll be making 5% of any amount of money you make. So assuming the person you gave it to make $100, 5% of $100 is $5. That's what you are going to get. So assuming you are able to refer 10 people, meaning if those 10 people are making $100, you, without doing anything, you are making up to $50. So that's simply how the affiliate tab works. Here's how I'm going to show you how you can make money with the affiliate tab. So the first thing you need to do is copy their link and then come over to Facebook. So I'm actually going to show you how you can use Facebook to actually get people to sign up for it and then start making money from it. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to my main profile. This profile is for actually my football, my website to actually talk about football. It's a new website I just started. So if you've been following my website playlist, you will know about it. So if you are someone who likes watching football, who needs active football news, you can come and check out this Facebook handle called Football Central, or simply check us on Google at Football Central. So that aside, let me just switch over to my main profile, and then show you how you can actually make money. You can see, you can come and check the latest football news and the rest all over here. You can also check live scores and the rest, check your favorite league tables, everything. So let me show you how you can actually use Facebook to make more money from this system, as I've already shown you the math. Now it's time to show you how you can do it to actually make the money you need. To make money with this system, all you simply have to do is come over to Facebook and then search for this keyword that I'm actually going to share with you. Search for make money online. Let me correct my spelling. Make money online. And then simply search for it. Now what you simply want to do is that look for groups around make money online. You can see all these groups here, 10 posts per day with high followers. Join all of them, but make sure that any group you are joining should be a public group. So after that, let me just open up this group here. Let me open up this group. So now what you simply have to do is take a look at what all these people are posting here. You don't have to post like this. Here is simply what you need to do to make money from it. See, simply type info. If put in quotes to make them so it will be easier. Type info if you want to know how I make just by performing tasks online. You see, with just this. So here is it. Now the reason why you are telling them to type info is that you don't want to post a lot of it, because if you keep posting link repeatedly, Facebook is actually going to block your profile. So when they block your profile, meaning you can no longer perform all of this again. But when you say type info like this, anybody who type info down in the comment section, you are going to send them a message by sending them your link, which is the link on your affiliate dashboard. You send it to them. So once you send it to them, then once they sign up and start once they sign up, and then you start making money from it. That's simply. So you can see, once you make $10 through the referring system, then you'll be moved to this place where you start earning 6% commission. Once you earn up to $10, you'll be moved to, from here you need $0 to qualify, and then once you make $10 in your account, you'll be moved to this where you start earning 6%. Once you make up to $25, you'll be moved to here where you start earning 7%. That's how you'll be moved until you get to this final stage where you'll be making up to 30% of their total revenue. This is not deducting it from their account, but giving you from the website directly, just by referring more people to them. So hope you find this video helpful, and this is simply how you can start making money by performing menial tasks on the internet. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So with that already said, have a nice day. Bye.